Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a charts or diagram using Excel. Now the question is why we need to learn Excel charts or diagrams. You can imagine if you are sending data to your client, vendor or whomever it may need it or going to present anyone. Do you think table is attractive than the diagrams? No, right? That's why we have a charts option in Excel. And also if you are a data analyst and you are going to analyze the data, the charts and diagram will take your data to the next level, and we are going to learn how to create a charts from the pivot table in this video. So once we learn how to create charts from the pivot table, we are going to consolidate everything and create a dashboard. So that can be a Excel dynamic dashboard, and we are going to add a slicers over there. So the slicer will help to apply the filters for all the charts together. So to know everything, please watch our videos regularly and practice yourself. That will help you to create a more attractive dashboards in Excel. As we already have a pivot table here, we can directly create a pivot charts from this table. If you are unsure what type of chart will suit your data, no worries. Simply click anywhere in your pivot table, go to insert, click recommended charts. If you like the recommended one, you can go with it. If not, in the same window, you can select one by one chart type and see the preview. Choose the one you like. So I like pie chart for my data, so I am selecting it. The moment you click OK, immediately the pie chart will be enabled in your Excel. So now we have the basic pie chart here. Now we can add some additional details here. Make this pie chart as a detailed one. Whenever you insert a pivot chart, the fill button will be always enabled. So this can be mostly used to apply the filters. As we are not going to apply any filters in this pie diagram, so I can simply remove it. In order to remove it, go to Analysis tab, select the fill button and click Hide All. It will remove the fill buttons. Now you can rename the default header. Just double click the header and rename however you want. So I will rename as Revenue by Location, and you can also change the font size, font color, however you want. As I already said, we just have the basic pie diagram. So I am going to add a value against each color scale. That will give you the more detail of the pie charts. So to do that, we need to enable the data label. So data label will give you the value for the pie charts. So in order to add the data label, on your chart right side top, you can see plus button. Just click that plus button, enable the data label. Immediately the value will be added into the pie charts. Now if you like to add or modify anything in the data label, you can simply click any data label value in the chart and right click it, click the format data label. The format data label menu will be appear right side of your Excel. In data label, by default value will be enabled as always. So you have various data label options to add in your diagrams. We will see one by one. The first one is the value from the cell. So you can enter any custom value in any of your Excel cells. You just click this option and select the data. So the value will be added into the pie diagram or any charts. And the next one is the series name. Series name is nothing like a header of the pie diagram. If we enable it, the total will be added here. So as we don't need that, I can simply disable it. And next one is the category name. So we already have a values here. So if I want to add the location name, I just need to enable the category name. I can get the location name against each color coding and the values. The category will be the added value for your pie diagrams. And if you also want to add a percentage, you can simply enable it. And next is the legend key. The legend key is the bulleting with the color coding. So if you want it, you can enable it. I think I don't need in this diagram, so I can disable it. The next option is the separator. Since we add a multiple data labels in one chart, it has to be separated with any separators. You can select anyone from the list as a separator that will separate your data label. Next is the label position. You can select each one of the position and see which one looks good to you. So I always go with the best fit that will be auto fit with the chart type. And next one is the number formatting. I am okay with the current number formatting, so I can leave as it is. If you want to make any changes on the number formatting, you can very well do it. It's like a normal number formatting or data formatting we have in Excel. Now we have everything in the pie diagram itself. So I can delete the bulleting location which is appear in the right side of the charts, since I already have that in a pie diagram itself. So I don't want the separate list for the locations, so I can simply click and delete it. In any of charts in Excel, font size, color, background color, chart color, you can make however you want. It's completely based on your creativity and your own thoughts. Now our first pie diagram is ready. So now you can compare table versus chart and let me know in comments which looks much better in your point of view. Also, let us know your feedback in comments. Hit the like button, that will motivate us to make more videos like this, and share these videos to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. You can also join our Telegram group, ask your any Excel question. We will get back to you as early as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in another Excel video soon. Until then, bye from Aravind and take care. Bye.